Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're keeping it crispy, sticky, and super easy. I'm showing you how to make Chinese style spare ribs in the air fryer that can at least meet or beat your takeout. You don't need a wok, a grill, or a whole afternoon. Just your air fryer and a little know-how. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to get the ingredients together for our marinade. Chop up a couple of fresh green onions. And of course I'm going to be using fresh garlic, just a couple of cloves here finely chopped. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to get about a quarter cup of Chinese hoisin sauce. To control some of the salt in this dish, I'm going to use a reduced sodium soy sauce, only about 2 tablespoons worth. Next, about 1 tablespoon of honey. If you like yours sweeter, use 2 tablespoons or more. And for even more garlic flavor, I use a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And the reason why I use the powder is it'll stick better to the pork ribs during cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You don't need much here. A little goes a long way. Use 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. If you don't have 5-spice powder, you can make it yourself by using 1 teaspoon of ground Chinese white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, use black pepper. That'll work fine. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cumin. And just a pinch of ground nutmeg. Now I'll get the chopped garlic and green onions into the bowl too. This is starting to look and smell great. Oh, and I added a couple of tablespoons of rice wine vinegar just to help round out the flavors. Then grate in about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. I keep mine in the freezer. It makes it easier to grate into any dish. Now let's get the ribs ready for the marinade. First, dry them off to make it easier to peel off the skin. The silver skin on the back of the ribs usually comes off in one piece. Just use a paper towel to help grip it. If you can't grab an edge, just use a small knife to start it and then pull it off with a paper towel. When you're cutting the ribs into individual pieces, make sure to cut halfway between each rib, leaving some meat on both sides of the bone. Now that all the ribs are separated, let's get them into the bowl with the marinade. Give them a good stir to make sure each piece gets coated and press them down into the marinade. Then place it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or overnight is better. Just give my cutting board a cleaning with some soapy water and dry it off with some paper towels. Preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then I get the ribs into a single layer, leaving some space for the air to flow. You may need to do 2 batches here. Air fry at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, giving them a shake about halfway through. Look at those juicy ribs and crispy edges. Now get them on a dish and pour some of the leftover marinade juices over the top. Or you can serve it the way I like it, with a couple of scoops of steamed white rice and a tall stack of these crispy, juicy Chinese-style spare ribs stacked on top. Finish with some sesame seed and chopped green onions sprinkled on top. This Chinese-style pork rib over rice is great for dinner any time of the week. Look at those crispy edges and tender pork rib meat. And the flavor is sensational. So if you're feeling these ribs, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. And until then, keep it tasty, keep it quick, and never complicated. I'll see you in the next video.